So, hey guys, as you know, my name is Pratik Shrivastava, and right now we have the guest, one of the best actor which I knew from my childhood, as because has also grown with me. He has done film like Ranjana, and one of his best film was Chiller Party, the first role, and he got a national award for it. So, you know him, Naman Jain. So, hi Naman, how are
Hello,
you, buddy?
Pratik. Hi, Pratik. How are you? All good, all good. How are you?
So, how is the COVID situation right now in Maharashtra? I guess you're not liking it, but
Maharashtra is, yeah. Maharashtra is having like a really high peak right now, and it's really risky, to go out, to move out. In fact, many of my own relatives, my own known people have got COVID recently because of the spike, and it's very risky. So I think everyone should take care, be it Maharashtra or be it anywhere all over India. There is risk, and I think everyone should be aware of the situation that it's really serious right now. We shouldn't take it lightly. Same,
it, yeah, man, it's hard situation. People should try to believe that we will overcome it because 90%
right,
of the time our mental problems are higher than this corona because
hundred
people are
percent, hundred
mentally
percent.
sick. Yeah, man.
Of course,
Now,
and I think situations like these, where you're sitting all alone at home, your mental health does get affected. I mean, me myself being at home, I really usually I'm very, I don't get frustrated so quick. But because of this whole scenario, I really feel sometimes that I'm just locked in this cage. I want to get out of here. So I think taking care of your mental health is also as important as just being safe out there.
yeah, I was scrolling to your Wikipedia and I was seeing only few stuff that you enjoy with your friends. You love vada pav and all that stuff, but mostly there were some thoughts.
My Wikipedia is not at all true. I do not like chocolates. I do not like ice cream. I hate ice creams, and I do enjoy being with my friends. But yeah, it's not like like my most favorite thing to do. Yeah, I mean, but
Man,
it is a part of my life, of course. I do get refreshed, but you can't add it in my Wikipedia. That it's my most favorite hobby to do. I don't
yeah.
know who updated it, man. You have to text me
See,
whoever did.
and there was one major thing which I read. He is obsessed with gadgets. Is it true?
100%.
Why so?
100% without a doubt.
You are like,
I don't know. I think, our whole generation now, nobody in my generation hates gadgets. Like, be it from anything, from your head to toe. If you get anything related to tech, I will buy it. I will buy it. And so I love gadgets. I love gadgets. Be it video games, be it anything, I would buy it. I mean, the best out there would be my first thing to buy on my list, basically.
so Manlav, how much, like I was saying, so you told in many of the interviews that your major money is handled by your parents. But what is the
Right.
most expensive thing that you have bought as a gadget, I guess? I guess it is a gadget. Yes.
Gadgets? Nothing as such. I just recently purchased a PS5, which I think everybody is going crazy about, and I'm lucky enough to have it because there's literally no stock here. I had to arrange it from somewhere. But yeah, that's the last thing I bought in gadgets. But I don't have anything damn expensive in particular. It's very normal, like every other kid would have.
Yeah,
That's it.
but for a 19-year kid and who is an actor, so it is easy right now. But not for me. At my age, I
No,
was like,
no. Let me tell you. See, people have this misconception that I am an actor. I can buy anything I want. I have to beg and plead almost every day for everything that I want. I do get it. I give you that I do get it. But I have to beg and plead and how. And it's very tough to crack it, like, especially through my mom. My dad would, still get convinced by me. And he would give me stuff, but my mom won't. My mom is really strict when it comes to purchasing.
I can relate to it just because my father
Yeah,
is like,
yeah,
दे दो ठीक है कर लेगा अरे जरूरी है
yeah.
but my mom is like no why he needs an iPad at the age of 16 why he's not even
That is
that's
I
the
think
truth.
common. No matter
Yeah,
what
man.
what and where you are, you have to beg and plead for whatever you want until your parents are spending for you.
So I know
Superb, man.
after 2 years you are going to say okay mom let it be I will purchase myself so don't
I
bring
I
across
don't
buddy
mind.
yeah.
I'm waiting for that day actually, so I can just go buy whatever I want to. But the only thing that my parents tell me that you have to save before you spend. So I
Yeah.
think even after 2 years, they'll always keep an eye on me. That where am I spending? What am I spending? So it's gonna be tough all my life.
Yeah, every day at evening, my father also asks, okay, which fund are you investing in, and what are the stocks you are
Acha.
buying in? Because I'm crazy about stocks right now and Bitcoin, man.
Oh, super.
So you know what
Oh,
happened
super,
to
super, super.
Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So Elon Musk,
Yeah.
stupid kind of
Oh,
person.
damn. Love, it's,
Yeah,
it's like really a rage now.
yeah.
Really a rage
I,
between, the
I should
youngsters.
suggest you
Yeah.
just one thing: when you are investing, don't listen to anyone. You will
So
lose a lot of
me and
money.
my dad, both of us, my dad and I, we both, we understand stock, but we both, keep our distance from stocks and stuff because
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
like, let it be because it's damn
Yeah.
risky.
It's see, eventually, even if you should consider like, okay, we are from a middle class, higher middle class, okay, but a middle class family. So
Yeah,
there is always a range between we should invest in FDs and mutual fund, not in stocks, because stocks are higher
true,
risky. But they are also rewarding
true,
if you know, if you have a proper knowledge. So it's okay to invest.
100%.
So like in at the age of 10, I guess you got your first role, na? In Chiller Party.
At the age of six, I started to shoot Chiller Party. It got released late because of some reasons I don't remember. But I was 10 when it released.
Yeah, I know it because not from Wikipedia. In 2012, I guess it released, and that was the first time
Yeah.
after I was having some medical conditions, and that was the first time I visited. So I watched a movie, and that was you, not any other superstar, and I loved it.
Oh
Uh,
wow.
and I loved
Super,
it
yeah.
most of the
Thank you
part
so
because
much.
I was that kind of person who was like poke others and do the stuff, do the mischief in our society. So I was like the your character in real life.
Super, man. Super.
That
I'm
time,
really glad you watched it. Yeah.
yeah, but I literally
Super.
enjoyed.
Thank you so much.
I hope so. I'm not kidding, but yeah, in future maybe someone is going to make a biopic on you. Suppose it's
On me? Oh God.
just a hypothetical, just for entertainment
That,
purpose.
that,
So see, you
yeah.
have done work, like you have done small roles and small and
Yeah.
but important. Like in Ranjana, you played a lover boy. Okay, I can understand at the age of like 12 to 13. But man,
Yeah.
seriously, at the age of 12 to 13, nowadays most of the kids are going for it. Yeah, the nibba nibbi condition in India right now is too high.
Yeah. That trend
Yeah,
is, I think, yeah.
yeah,
You're
that
right. 100%.
yeah, and eventually you are the memer boy of India. Like most of the meme, there is a picture of you just doing this, and it's going viral.
Yeah.
And so there was a meme I was watching around 11:30, and it was like "पहले sun आया कि moon." So it was you saying, "Sir, पहले moon होगा ना honeymoon, उसके बाद ही तो sun होगा." So I was laughing and was कि man, नमन को पता भी है उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है.
The funniest part about these memes are that these memes are either double meaning or a little on the adult side. So the funniest part is when my dad reads it, and that too through some guy who has sent it on some family group, which is so awkward and so embarrassing for all of us. And he happily forwards it to me. My dad and my mom, they all enjoy all these memes. And my friends too, I mean, they pull my leg because most of them are double meaning or adult memes. So I'm like, man, come on, this can't be me. I know I'm mischievous, but this isn't
Yeah,
me.
but
So yeah, but I love it. I love it when I see my own memes.
yeah.
I laugh at them, and I love it. I love to see them.
I read a meme also. There was 5 things which never to forget. So there was a Parle-G ad, then your meme, then the footstep of Neil
Oh
Armstrong.
wow.
So because see, these are the things which are not going to fade away easily till the time
Yeah.
internet is there. Either cyborgs are not going to attack us and all that theory.
Cyborg.
Yeah,
I mean,
man.
you never know.
Even
You never know. They can, overrule us. Yeah, man.
yeah, man. Once I am a great fan of Stephen Hawking, and he told us apart from like here from 30 or 40 years, we are going to be attacked either by cyborgs or by aliens.
Man, I'm myself. I'm a Stephen Hawking fan, and I believe so much in astrophysics and everything. I'm a cosmo freak. I love to, know new things about space and future, basically. So this thing about Stephen Hawking again, he scared me that he was like, you shouldn't take vaccines because it's eventually gonna, kill you rather than saving you. But what can you do now?
Science tells us many things, but it's necessity to an exam that right now we need a vaccine.
Exactly.
We need a vaccine to
Exactly.
survive.
Exactly.
अब राइट नाउ यार हम लोग काफी ज्यादा बात कर चुके हैं साइंटिफिक बेसिस पे. अब ये बताओ यार, आफ्टर लाइक देयर वाज अ ब्रेक, आपने बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छी अच्छी बॉलीवुड मूवीज की, आप जय हो में सलमान
जी.
खान के साथ आए, उसके बाद देयर वाज अ
जी.
ब्रेक एंड then after this Chalang movie, and Chalang is one of my favorites of 2020 just because
Thank
of
you.
you acting
Thank you.
and the I know
Oh,
we discussed about
thank you, man.
Garima also. So there was the child
Yeah.
artist has pulled the show, not even the Rajkumar sir or Nusrat Bharucha, because you were the guys who were having the 80% of the film.
Yeah, they did.
After Chiller Potty, I guess there was the first film after, I guess, not a decade, but after 8 or 10 years, there was a film. What there was a whole collection of different kinds of students and children who are going to participate in a movie, and that movie to a big high. That movie got a big high because they were simple child artists, and you were there. It's all like I have seen Naman, I have seen this girl in that movie, and yeah, they have collection of students. So how do you deal with it?
Correct.
Like meeting such kind of people and acting together, getting like a family, and doing such. Even the sportsman, you are the killer in the raid
See,
team, but you got defeated.
yeah. Yeah, oh God. That's, I think, the most main thing. But see, I myself, I grew up in a very normal house, and all of us love to go to cinema, right? So whenever we see, stars on screen itself, the persona, the aura that they throw from that silver screen is really, really, really overwhelming. So you can't you can't stand straight when they're in front of you. Whenever they come, for example, if I talk about Rajkumar also, we met, I think, after 8 years, and that man, I think, is the most humble man. I worked with him in 3 movies, and when I saw him, I was literally shivering. I was like, oh my God, he's come on set. Oh my God, this is happening. Be it with Salman sir, be it with Amitabh sir, anyone. Whenever I saw them on set, I was shivering, and it all calmed. It all became normal when these guys come up to you, they talk to you, and they make you normal. So when it was for Rajkumar Rao sir, I met him and I told him that we worked in 3 movies together. So he was like, "Oh damn, you've grown so much, this and that." So I felt like there's someone whom I can look up to. All throughout the shoot, I had no problems with him. I mean, I could go up to him with anything that I wanted to learn or do anything. And he's so helping, and he's so humble in such ways that I almost feel that I have an elder brother on my side. And ironically, in the film also, he's my elder
he was
brother.
there.
So yeah, it's really good to see that all these actors, every actor, not even a single one who's ever not been very helpful or anything like that. Every actor on set helps you in certain way, calms you down, makes you feel home, and it's really happy. That's why we all majorly child actors. Some child actors are so young that they can't leave their moms and parents to even shoot for an hour or two. But these actors themselves make such a happy environment around you that you just don't want to leave the set. That's what happened all throughout my journey since, I think, 6 years. There was no big actor on set of Chiller Party, but the directors, the assistant directors, the producers, the co-actors, even the sound dada, everybody pampers and plays and does everything with you. So there's no stress at all. It's like a playground. You just go and you play on that ground. It's, for me, it's always happened like that since the age of 6 to till I think now I'm 20 this now, 14 years, and I think I've never 20. So 14 years, and I think I've never ever felt like spending 22 hours, because when I was working with Ayushmann Khurrana, my mom left me for a day or two alone on the set. And at that time I was young, I didn't know about stuff, but Ayushmann sir always entertained me. He used to call me in his vanity. We used to watch movies. We used to play cricket.
Yeah, man. But most important, there is a question, slight question. See, you have worked with Dhanush 2 times, Rajkumar sir 3 times, Ayushmann sir 1 time, Amitabh sir 1. So, who is your favorite actor? Even there was a dance sequence in Chiller Party by Ranveer sir, na?
Ranveer.
So you met him or not?
Ranveer, I did meet Ranveer sir. And so till now, my most most incredible experience of being on set has been with Salman sir, because there's genuinely nobody as as caring and as honest as that guy. I remember there once on the sets of Jai Ho, I think I was 14, and it was my 14th birthday.
Yeah,
So
I saw
he
that video.
surprisingly told me one day. Yeah, he surprisingly told me one day that let's go to my farmhouse. I was like, okay, I don't mind. So we thought we'll go in the car, we'll go there and we'll chill. He called what 4 or 5 bikes, like small dirt bikes, and he was like, "Chal na man mere saath." So I was like, "Where?" So like, "Chal na back to say." So for 30 minutes, we roamed in a jungle the way to his farmhouse on that bike, and it was so much fun. I can't tell you, both of us on one bike, and we used to go through little villages and towns where people used to get so hyped up to see Salman Khan on
Salman
a
Khan.
bike, and we used to ride in there, and then we reached his bungalow. There, he I don't know how, but he figured that lady finger is my most favorite vegetable. So he told them to make it there, and we had it together. It was so much fun. I can't forget that day ever. And that day was like the best birthday of my life.
Being with
Yeah,
Salman
yeah,
Khan
yeah,
can be the best
100%.
way.
One
So
of the
you
best.
are eating with him, you are talking with him, you are spending time with him.
Yeah,
Now, buddy, I am
yeah.
jealous of
And
you.
he treated me as if I'm a part of his family or maybe his friend. It never felt like we are working on a film set or a film. It always used to feel like, yeah, we're just doing time pass. That's all it
Yeah,
felt.
yeah. But actually, na, the better part is, okay, you have done all this stuff at before age of 18,
Yeah,
man. After 18, it's hard.
it is. It is. I
Uh,
do believe now that since so many young actors are coming in and there is so much to see, there is so much to learn. Opportunities are everywhere in every sense. There's a film of any simplest of thoughts that you have. So there is a very, very long list of competition, and I think with my age growing and with other people's age growing, we do see that there's a very cutthroat competition between people. That someone might replace someone, and now is the time. Even my parents or my mentor, Nitesh Tiwari, sir, all of them tell me that this is the time you need to pull up your socks. This is the time you need to get more serious. And yeah, I'm actually starting to realize that there's a lot to learn now. I mean, till now I've done everything as a part of my life which was very, very much fun to do. Like, I used to enjoy going on set, but now because I see it as my whole career, that I have to do it all along my life, I do see that it's a very serious thing to do, and to give 100% every day on set will be the new challenge that I've seen.
yeah, man, but see, sincerely, that if you have talent, and if, see, I remember, I guess there was a podcast of Anupam Kher which used to come on television, and once Shah Rukh Khan was the guest, and Shah Rukh Khan told me, Anupam, सबको मौका मिलता है, सब अच्छा मौका मारने के लिए ट्राई करते हैं, पर मैंने अच्छा मौका
Hmm.
मिलने के बाद सबसे ज्यादा ट्राई किया.
जब बनना चाहते हैं तब मेहनत करते हैं, बनने के बाद मेरी जितनी मेहनत कोई नहीं कर सकता. सो वंस दे बिकम, दैट्स व्हेन यू नीड टू वर्क हार्डर. पहला
Exactly.
You
So true.
need to do
So true.
hardest after getting the chance, not before.
Exactly. That's when your real test starts. I mean,
Yeah,
after you're successful, the choices you make, the way you are with people or with your professional space, I think that's the most important. You have to pull that as a rubber band all throughout your life. I do believe that I'll get that, maybe that one break, that can possibly change my life and make me more relevant. And people can see how I can act, or maybe how I can fit into roles. But I'm really blessed, to have so much knowledge at this age, because I've been there since 14 years now, and I've learned majorly everything that one can get learned at some film school or somewhere.
yeah. For being a good actor, you have to work on each and every day to grow, and that's the truth.
100%.
But Naman, eventually, see, nowadays, do you think it's easier for a child actor to work in certain TV series or web series to grow, or the films are the only thing which helps you to grow? Because you have done a TV series of Swami Ramdev.
Correct. So I think for about 12 years, I never touched serials. I used to get offers, but I always had that fear of either getting stereotyped or maybe just stuck to that character that people can't see anything else out of you. So I always thought that I should be away from serials. But this particular serial, Ramdev, I never heard a story so superficial. I mean, it was actually like a science fiction story. I mean, he had faced so many struggles, so many things, and I thought that, okay, let's do this because I think learning so many things like yoga and sword fighting and stuff like that, learning all these things would help me in a way. And learning Baba's life was also, the struggles he faced, the hardships he had. I think learning all those things also, somewhere pushed me. So that was the first show that I did. And there wasn't much difference, to be very, very honest. I mean, on a film set, it's basically way more quicker than a web series or a serial that you shoot. Serials do take time since it's episodic and everything needs to go in a pattern. But films, you can improvise, you can play along, you can maybe make a whole change in the scene because you have to keep it crisp. The only difference is that the pace of the shoot. Because I remember once we shot in Jaipur for 22 days, and the whole shoot got cancelled. Like the whole shoot got dumped. Like we shot every day, and it all got dumped when we came back to Mumbai, and we had to go through a whole reshoot of that scene. To answer your first question, I think it of course now that even for example Scam 1992, that's a show, that's a web series. It's episodic, but it still made such a huge impact on people, and it helped. I mean, it genuinely boomed web series in India. So I think there is opportunity everywhere. Be it any show, any Indian show like Family Man, Sacred Games, any Indian show. If you go to see that these serials have done way more than a normal 80 crore, 90 crore film.
Yeah, definitely.
So I think there is equal opportunity everywhere now. Like people can watch either a show if they want or a movie. The content is there. I mean, and it's very, very new for them. So they will enjoy it. They will enjoy it either way. And be it for an actor, I think me myself, I haven't done many big roles, but whatever I've done, I think, as you said, they have impacted some people in some ways. So I think the length of the role doesn't matter. The strength of the role does matter because at the end of the day, people, might remember Kabir Singh for his performance, but also Shiva, of how
I love
excellent
him,
a friend
man.
he
I
was.
need a friend.
Yeah,
I have a friend who
yeah,
will not say that he will kill me.
exactly.
I
People
have
would
a friend.
remember Sanju as such a spectacular actor and a life, and how Ranbir Kapoor played it. But Vicky Kaushal was also the one who came out of it so beautifully as Kamli. So I think supporting characters in every show or every film is way more stronger and way more impactful than a lead as in some movies. That's the whole zone that I don't want to break. I would love to do supporting as of now, because my age is not
You have
there yet
quite
that I can
quite a
touch
good age,
lead
buddy.
roles.
You have quite
Yeah, but
good age.
the offers I get aren't like the main lead of a show or a movie. I still do supporting, and I do enjoy it a lot. I do enjoy
I guess
it a
you
lot.
are picky. That's the best choice because you have picked certain roles and you have like fulfilled their criteria, and that's why you emerge
Yeah.
as a good person that time.
Yeah.
Eventually, like so. See, there are people like Sanjay Sir is there. Sanjay Mishra sir. He has done supporting all his life, and now
Exactly.
like he is doing his solo movies, and I loved it. Like there was like Kadvi Hava and all that stuff. I loved it. हर इससे कामयाबी. So I watched the movie and I was like, Sanjay sir, आपने starting में क्यों नहीं किया? I talked to him. I texted him when I was.
Oh, super.
Yeah. So
I'm a
he-
fan of his. I'm a fan
yeah,
of
yeah.
his.
He told me, yeah. See, people see you once and they typecast it. You are going to be the
Yeah.
same person for me. Like what happened with Govinda sir, what happened to Gadar Khan sir in their early and the later ages. So that's the thing. But you have done certain roles that are not going to be typecasted. So you are doing a good job and you are being picky, and which is the good thing. Man, there even
Right.
Alia ma'am have there was a gap after Student of the Year, and then he chose Highway.
Right.
I don't love
Highway.
Student of the
Yeah.
Year, but Highway was a movie. that I loved, that I recommend.
Because that's how, you know, you would love to see a person, you know, to break his own identity. Now, Student of the Year, she played a very high class rich girl, but to see her in Highway with one costume in most of the film, and you know, to see her play that, also in Udta Punjab, I think that's the best performance I've
Udta
ever seen by
Punjab
any actress.
was all along a killer movie, man. Either for Shahid Khan,
Exactly.
either
So
for
my point is, you know, if some director or some story intentionally breaks that actor's original personality, I think then an actor can, you know, bloom up and
yeah.
just make a huge impact on everyone's life.
Like, see, I'm telling you, have a good time because like people who has enacted all their life got their success in their later stages of the life, like whether it is
Correct.
Pankaj sir, like Vijay Raj sir, K.K. Menon sir, or eventually, I guess your favorite actor is Nawazuddin Siddiqui, man. I have saw on
Not
Wikipedia.
my all-time favorite is Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
Nothing
Yeah.
can beat him. But of course, I do love Nawaz sir. I
Yeah,
mean,
man, you need to ask
there was, you
your
know,
PR team, if there is a PR team or your parents, to ask Wikipedia person to change it, man.
I don't know who's writing this, guys. If any of you all who has written or added to anything, please text me and ask me what is my favorite, what do I like to do, who's my favorite actor. This is all untrue. No, don't believe
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Start giving references, man. Every time, start giving.
Please.
I'm 20 years old. I was like, he's 19. Okay. And now you're telling me you're 20. So,
I'm turning 20.
yeah.
I'm 19 only. I'm 19 only. This year I'll turn 20.
Then it's good. Okay. Wikipedia, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. You have done 10% of the time. 90% is still. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I-
just
I
call
was
me.
like,
Just text
Yeah,
me.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui is like, now when I'm 23, now I'm liking Nawazuddin Siddiqui. At
Yeah.
your age, I guess I don't like him just because of, now I love Gang of Wasseypur.
Exactly.
Like, yeah,
Because
man.
the problem, I mean, it's not a problem. I think the understanding of
Yeah, understanding
Indian
of the film.
audience, yeah, the Indian audience, you know, the younger audience will always go for, you know, a proper hero like Varun Dhawan or maybe Ranveer Singh. But they won't understand the craft or maybe the, you know, the strength of the performance. But now that people are understanding how, you know, a person whom they never even have seen in real life can see on screen. I mean, you know, so that obviously changes a person's perspective.
Yeah, eventually the technology has changed a lot. So most of the
Of course.
time, people like us can meet people like you eventually on a certain scale, easily eventually.
Correct.
And there was a time
Correct.
like there was
100%.
there was only a written interviews or the small interviews in any television show. And now they are like most of the actor loves to give interview. That also and Pankaj,
I used to watch AIB podcast
I love
of, you know, Ranbir Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan. Those podcasts are gold. I mean, you know, you won't even get that much of fun and coffee with Karan. That's what I think. That's so much fun.
Yeah, man. See, most of the time people ask me like, who was your favorite like podcaster? But I tell him Tanmay Bhatt. The reason is I know there's Ranveer Ala Beer Bicep shows of Ranveer Aladia show. There is Anupam sir. There is Karina ma'am who is also doing podcast. But
yeah. Even she's.
I love the attitude, man. He's like chill.
Yeah.
First of all, chill. There is no.
It's actually chill, and you know, the guests that he has. I mean, there's so much love for them by the audience. You know, for example, if Tanmay Bhatt gets Ritviz, so I would love to listen to that podcast.
Yeah, man.
Because I'll be like, wow, I mean, this guy's on a podcast who, you know, maybe messes with our mind so badly when Udgay plays, or, you know, any concert or any club. So I'm like, man, of course we should watch this. And that's the power. I think Tanmay Bhatt is himself very, very smart influence India has.
The one thing people don't realize, he is the smartest person.
Yeah, really
people
smart.
talk
really
about the knowledge, man. He has a depth in every aspect of life. And that too, he told in the Ranveer Alawadhi.
And he's been through so much.
Yeah, the year of 2019 was black time for him. And now, from
nobody knew he's going to come back so strong. And I think, you know, me and my sister, we both of us watch his videos and we laugh and how we laugh. We are.
See, people don't realize that from 6K when I joined the channel, he was at 6K, and now it's going to just 3 million. And the charities, most of the time 100%. I was like, I'm watching the charity stream 6 hours just because okay, this is for Tanmay sir. It's not mean कि उधर
Superb,
समय आ रहा है, कुशा लिपा आ रही है, कोई आ रहा है, पर आई एम वाचिंग तन्मय सर का चैनल
So
सपोर्ट
it's
करना.
fun. It's really fun, and you get to learn also a lot of stuff.
People don't realize the tips I give him for stocks are related to Clueless, which I watch on Tanmay sir shows. And I watched
Yeah,
it.
Clueless.
Yeah,
Yeah.
यार ये अच्छा है, इसका यूज कर, इससे पैसे कमाते हैं. So the reason is that there was a typecast Tanmay Bhatt just do comedies and directors and just act, but now is like a proper entertainer.
It explored so much.
Yeah, he's a gold mine.
I couldn't believe that the cred ad of Rahul Dravid was written by him.
Yeah, man.
I was amazed. I was amazed. I mean, I was like, wow, how can you be so creative?
Like,
and I was like, of course. Now, after you know that this is written by Tanmay Bhatt, you will be like, 100% iska humor to ye.
And most of the ad, the Kumar Sonu ad, the Srinath ad.
Almost all ads. Yeah,
I showed. See, Srinath. Okay, it's my father league. Okay, so I showed him the ad, and then I showed him Tanmay, and he was like,
okay,
yeah, ये इसने लिखा. यार हाँ पापा हाँ यार काफी सही. So my father at the age of 53 followed Tanmay Bhatt channel. So
yeah, even I've been a very, very big fan of AIB. All of my friends, all of us used to, meet and watch these videos on loop.
Yeah, man. Most of the YouTube channels grow just because of AIB. AIB, they started copying. 100%. They started making skits, and right now, see, there were only 2 YouTube channels who were great at their time in 2014 and 16. TVF and AIB. And 100%. TVF is also like, now I guess you have watched Aspirants. Yeah, I love it.
I'm a huge TVF fan.
Naveen sir killed it, man. Naveen sir.
Yeah.
So there's
amazing guy.
Right now, Naman, the problem is you got a lot of work to do, but you are not able to do it just because of time constraint. Like I work 8 hours for my company. I devote 8 to 10 hours to my company.
Wow.
And I do this, and then I eventually, before texting you, that okay, if we meet at 8:55, and I was just watching Tanmay meme, the new video of Tanmay for Pakistani memes. So how many countries do you have visited? Let's ask this. Like,
I think so 6. I have 6. Yeah. Till now 6. But I badly want to go to US and go to New York.
Yeah.
I would die to go to New York.
Yeah. There was again flawed in the Wikipedia. It was Paris. So again,
it was Paris. Yeah. I've been to Paris. I didn't like that place.
So there was a column that says favorite place Naman Jain, Paris. Favorite food
Wikipedia, please.
So
please just confirm, man. Please.
So they are not going to confirm me, man. They are going to post it. Once Saurabh Bhaskar said that my age is, I'm keep changing my age to 29, and some shit man is going to change it to 32. So Wikipedia is
so true, man. Wikipedia is something else only.
Yeah, but we should thankful too. I have passed my semester through Wikipedia, man. Searching.
Oh, really?
Man,
yeah, education-wise,
you are doing mass communication.
All my projects, my teachers used to tell me, you have to do research on this and that. I would be like, yeah, I would go full in on research. I would just open Wikipedia and search everything, and then copy paste it every time.
That's how average.
Wikipedia is helpful that way. So Wikipedia 100 points for education.
Education, yeah, man.
But 1 point for facts, because they still lack in facts.
Yeah. I guess 95% of my education is from Wikipedia and 5% of Indian education system. Modi ji, are you listening? Please.
Wow, Modi ji. Wow.
Yeah, man. See, the education system is like a bogus, I guess. There's everything.
Yeah. It's I think different for everyone. Because
but
for a city like Mumbai,
see, there is a thing called rectification, which applies everywhere.
Yeah.
People just mug up things and just throw it out on exam papers, and they pass, they fail, they either become topper like me.
Whatever they do, I think eventually in life they'll know their place. I mean, even if they do mugging and stuff, they'll know at the end of, maybe 21 or 22 where they're going to lie. Because how much are you going to mug up? There has to be something, like some spontaneity there. I mean, you have to take actions not by learning stuff, but, by playing by your own mind. So I think that will, give them place.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Now, like now, education system is involving like there should be co-curricular activities and all this. But there was a time. Actually, I should talk about mine. So yeah, we were forced to learn things which were not necessary for my life. Till now, I don't know why I have moral science or why I was learning algebra. Till now, I'm a graduate. I love maths. I love it.
And
But
I was
I don't
so
know
bad
why.
at math. I never used to understand what the hell trigonometry was or
Yeah,
geometry was. I never, ever got angles, degrees, sine,
yeah.
theta, blah, blah. I never understood anything. But
That's good. You
and
became an actor,
eventually it
man.
doesn't help in acting at all. If I want to do acting in future, it's not gonna help me in acting. So
In
who
case
knows?
one thing, either direction, man. If you are going for direction, you should know trigonometry. Just because you should be
I
professional of angles, na.
Yeah, see, I would love to become a director. My second, backup plan is being a director. That's
Just a question: why every actor wants to become a director after a certain age? I just want to know
because this is
what will
my
happen to us.
interpretation. Because see, sometimes when you are acting, okay, and you see this scene somehow in your way. For example, I'm doing an emotional scene, but I see some seconds of humor in that. So I would love to add those seconds into ours in one situation. So, that's the whole thing of actors becoming directors because they always see these some scenes from their own eyes, from their own heads and perspectives. So I think every actor would love to put a my version to everything. So I would put a my version to maybe a grown ups or maybe a hangover or maybe, any film to become a
In
director.
that too, I got you have not done any negative role, I guess. No?
No, I
Yeah, yeah,
badly
yeah.
want to try one.
You should try, man. Actually, I was
I
watching.
badly want to try
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah. Now
I
I
badly
noticed
want to
that
try
you
one.
have always been a good boy in a shy way or in a
Yeah,
naughty way,
yeah,
on a witty way. But you have always been
yeah.
that's not fair, man. Be a badass for a time.
I have to do
See,
one badass.
see, I was telling my friend yesterday if I want to make a movie like Kick-Ass, have you watched Kick-Ass? I love that movie. So I will
Yeah, yeah,
ask
yeah, yeah.
you to be the bad guy. The reason
Oh,
is,
me?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Just for a discussion, we were having. There was a small Zoom birthday party last night. So it was a
Okay,
small discussion that
okay.
yeah, I was discussing about that I'm going on with this guy on interview, and he was like, yeah. Ask him to be the bad guy. And now I've noticed that you have never been a bad guy in any movie. Not even a small
Never,
pivot of time that you have just thrown stones on some
never,
childs or nothing. You have been always a
never.
good boy. And in even I guess you're in Chalang, what was the name exactly? The full name.
Bablu,
Bablu, na? So see, the name
Bablu.
itself is like, oh, cute, Bablu, cute name.
All of my names have been like that
Yeah,
only.
yeah, man. I should not
Bablu
say
and
that.
Kabir.
My big brother, like my Tauji's big brother name is Bablu. So he's also like,
Bablu.
yeah, but
Every other guy in some house is Bablu.
yeah, Bablu or Ravi and all the stuffs are like very common, and that's why you are more relatable right now. The people love to watch
Yeah,
you just because इसके जैसा मेरा कोई दोस्त है इसके जैसा मेरा कोई दोस्त है that's important but I guess you
correct.
should do a movie
I'm
right now.
waiting for one actually. To be very honest, I'm really waiting for one bad movie to come my way. And when I'm really convinced with the script and I'm really convinced with the role, I would love to do a bad one. So,
Yeah, man, because see people like to see you in different roles if they love you.
of course it
Yeah,
will. Even for myself, I love to challenge myself. So I would love to do like that. A role which really pulls me out of my original space.
so right now are you like sending mails to Chhabra sir for casting him into another movie or just waiting for another phone call?
No. No. I don't. I never used to mail him. Whenever he saw me fit in some character or some role, he used to tell me that I should audition, and I used
I
to
guess
audition. And for example, Chalang, I auditioned for Chalang, and Chalang happened. So Chabra sir always has his own eyes on me, and he's always very particular of what roles I can do and what.
yeah, as a casting director he's a killer, man, because the role
Yeah,
he and Abhishek sir, Abhishek Banerjee. I
Abhishek Banerjee. He's
yeah
a next level actor also now. I mean,
yeah man.
Abhishek
Like
Banerjee is just tasting everything.
I was one day I was watching another interview of him, and next day I saw the trailer of Patalog and was man, this guy is like he has decided that
Killed
he has
it.
opened the casting company just because he wanted to act.
See,
It
but
makes
I
sense.
never, imagine this guy from Stree who was so bhola like Jana and to shift to Patal Lok and be so damn intense.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, he's a terrific actor.
Yeah, and like now Ajib Dasta happened to him, and I was
Ajib
thinking, man,
Dasta.
yeah, he can be the probably he can be the next big thing. If in the web
Maybe.
series,
Yeah.
not in the movies because he didn't
True,
have
true.
done too much movies, but in web series,
Yeah.
he has a high demand right now. Now,
And as I was talking about this thing earlier, that he himself hasn't done any lead role. He's
Yeah.
always been a supporting. He's always been a supporting, and still yet people talk about him and know who he is and how awesome an actor he is.
there was a interview of Amir sir where he said, if someone remembers your name from that movie, you have done a great work there. Yeah, most of the time people achieve that goal in working in Hollywood, but making a benchmark, what happened to Randeep Hooda sir, is like
100%.
again. I guess you should eventually you should try for Hollywood, man, because nowadays web series are in a hot mood. I should suggest
Sure.
you to go for a
So
web
true.
series.
So true. Everybody is waiting, for some new Indian web series to come. They would love to watch that. And I think more than movies, the web series industry is really, really booming now.
One thing more,
Right.
in the past few years, there has been gap that from a small boy you have grown to adulthood. Right now, like how people see you in the perspective, like do they treat you the same? That there's a charm you have that charm in the same way, or the charm is being increased or decreased by the time?
So all my people, people around me, they always treat me like I am a 6-year-old, still like Jhangya, or maybe still that little Naman that they always used to say. And I don't know, all my friends, they never treat me as, I've done maybe even one movie or one advert, anything. They still feel I'm a loser. They still rag me. They still say the most absurd things in public places in front of people who have recognized me. I've been so embarrassed by some of my friends' behaviors because they bully me in front of people who do know me, who've come up for a selfie and we're out somewhere. And they would say the most randomest shit. So sometimes I'm like, man, did I really do something or no? Because I'm never given that treatment from anyone, be it my most closest friends or my family or my own sister. Nobody treats me as if, I've grown. And the other day, my mom was telling me that maybe I'm 19 by body or age, but I'm still 9 in my head. So I think that's
when I was like sending the message, I was like, I should write sir because you have achieved something in your life, or dear Naman. So I was like waiting for thinking, okay, I should write sir. Then I was like, Naman ही लिखते यार, छोटा है अपने से.
So because I'm 19, why do people call me sir already?
Yeah, but see, I should not say this, but there are people who are more smaller than you and they recommend sir.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why, but no, I hate it when someone calls me sir. Sir क्या होता है यार? I never call so many people sir. मैं भी कितनी बार मतलब
sir is like I'm 50.
आयुष्मान भैया बोलता था.
I don't know. You are in college right now, na? I guess mass communication.
Yeah.
So I'm
in my final year now. I'm doing BMM from HR college.
Yeah. So it's a 3-year course, na? I don't know whether you have faced it or not, but when I was in my first year, it was okay for me. I used to call everyone bhaiya, and the second year, the first year student calling me sir. And whenever I go, I represented my college in many fests and all that stuff. So they were like, sir, Prateek sir. And I was like, first of all, I was in a stage and I was like getting my award. And I took the mic and told each and everyone that please, next time, whether I come here or not, don't call sir to anyone.
Call me sir.
Yeah. It's most like you are comparing me with a person who is 60-year-old.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's really upsetting sometimes.
Yeah.
And some little cute fans, 9-10-year-olds, they come and tell me that sir. I'm like, nahi, yeah, just call me Naman. That's enough.
So I guess that's the thing, na. You are humble just because you are telling you each and every person treat you around you as a kid. So it's okay if you are.
I'm not supposed to be treated as any elder guy. I'm still, I still go play cricket whenever I want to. I do. I go to places where most of the actors won't even love to go. I would love to eat pav bhaji on streets.
Yeah, I love the fact that you are so humble. And but one thing, like someday for a small time, you're like, I am Naman Jain, man. I have done 6 movies. I am in this industry for 18 years. I've done 16 movies and all that stuff. Do you think,
Okay.
or just for a sec, nahi yaar, main hu kuch. Like swiping on Tinder right now, you mentioned I have done 16 films. Sorry for that, but do you use Tinder? Just say yes.
No.
Why?
I'm very scared of these things, man. How can someone? I mean, I don't know. I don't have the balls to do it. I can never have the courage to go there.
Yeah. So
Never.
you are a single. You are in single mode or right now in relationship? I just tell it,
Single
na.
as in I live alone. No, I live with my family in my house.
Okay, dodge
I
this
don't live.
question. For you,
Let's just dodge it then. Let's just forget that you asked it. Just
yeah. So how many?
what?
So how many? Just
How many films? Yeah, I've done around.
I have asked this question. You have answered 16. I'm talking how many girls you have dated. I'm not asking. Are you in a relationship or not? I'm asking how many
I
girls you have.
haven't dated anyone. I've been
Till
single all
19.
my life.
Till 19, man,
Till
you have
19.
not dated. I will ask.
Yes.
I will ask some of your friends, which I know. Yeah.
Sure, you can.
Yeah.
I can name them. You please go and ask them.
Yeah, it's okay if you have one. You are not going to tell us. That's fine. It's not an issue. Okay, let's do it.
I don't know how to love.
You are a good actor. I should tell you are a good actor.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So this was the build up to get that from you. Thanks.
So, you have worked in a lot of movies right now, but currently, if I tell you, you have a dream project, so which director and which top actors you will choose, and even the music you can choose.
So if I am doing a film, I want the director to be. Can I give 2 names?
Yeah, definitely.
Can I give 3 names? 3 names, in fact. 3 my most top favorite 3 names, because I would love to work with them. Number 1 is Anurag Basu sir. Yeah. Second is Anurag Kashyap sir, again with him. And third is Rajkumar Hirani sir. And actors would be, I don't mind playing someone's younger brother, someone's younger version also, I don't mind. But I would love to do a movie with Ranveer sir and Shah Rukh sir.
Ranveer sir and Shah Rukh sir. You have covered most of
Ranveer Kapoor and Shah Rukh Khan sir.
That's good. And what about music then?
Music, undoubtedly Arijit Singh and Pritam sir.
Actually, eventually last 2 years, I am like in a gauge of writing a movie with a negative role for a girl. Like most of the time, Indian cinema is like girl is always positive. There's 0% of negative roles in girls. So I want a role like this is the villain. This is the villain. Eventually, I am working on that idea, and I opened, and there was a thing for Amazon Prime. I watched the trailer, and there is a villain girl. In The Family Man, and I was like, shit, I'm too late.
Shit.
Yeah, man. But people love to watch different characters in different and negative. See, after Thanos snap, negative is the real good.
I am inevitable.
I think after Thanos, after Joker, many negative roles have changed everyone's perspective. For the first time, Joker is a villain's movie. I went to the theater and people were hooting, clapping, shouting for all the things that he did. For example, the whole blood smile thing.
Man, there was certain tears in my eyes, and I was like, man.
I had goosebumps myself because after watching it, after coming home, I realized that this guy was a villain. And I think if Batman was there in this film, people wouldn't have done the same. For them, Joker movie is where Joker is the hero. So I was like, audience do have a two-eye thing now. I mean, from one eye, they can always see the hero's perspective, but they also have space for the villain's perspective.
Yeah.
Which is really amazing. Which is really amazing in India. I think worldwide it was already existing, but to see it happen in India is awesome.
What we are seeing in real life, we see the good part, bad part of Corona, that people are dying, but I should say there is a blessing in disguise. After 30 or 40 years.
I think the earth got to breathe in a way. There was less pollution recorded, but we can't discuss this because we haven't been through what many families have been through. We lost due to Corona. This was a very, very bad time, and I think whatever happened, maybe on the positive side, will always be negative for me, because no matter how good anyone would have been through during this time, it was very bad on a very large scale. Like if you see it globally, if you see it in a large picture, it's very, very sad to see what's happening. And that too every day. I mean, it's something, I mean, I hear people saying this one passed away and I'm like, damn, I saw that guy maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago and now he's gone.
But people should realize that that's the biggest mistake which we are making. We are still doing the same thing. We are mining, we are cutting down the things. And see,
100%.
There is a thing called ना, मुझ पे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा उस समय तो चलता है. Same thing. चलता है.
That's the problem.
Yeah,
that's the problem. Until and unless it's not harming you or it's not affecting your own lifestyle, it's always going to be okay. But once it starts affecting you, there's going to be nowhere to run. I mean, you can hide behind any curtain, but eventually you will be the one who's going to cry that why didn't I take any action earlier?
Yeah.
I don't know. Or maybe, then it all sums up to, how if some pandemic or some problem happens after a few years, so the person will only blame either the government or the person who has caused it.
Yeah.
So,
see, like government is not working, but you should know there are some doctors who are stealing injections, who are just injecting wrong medicines. I don't know where is the humanity right now. People talk about India as a humanities state or a humanity culture.
Problem with India, I think the only problem we face is always thinking about I. I mean, they never go as a we, they always go as an I. If I am right, if I am okay, if I am fine, if I'm healthy, nothing will ever come in my way. But of course, one should always have the agenda of, always thinking about as a we. Because once we start thinking about a we ourselves as a country will progress so much. I mean, be it in the next 10 years, like a decade after, I think if we start changing now, we can make a really, really huge difference.
Yeah. See, science even say mutations happen at every stage of life. If you start thinking and acting on it, it will happen faster at a rapid rate. See, science is one of the best things which we have. And I'm happy to say that, okay, now Indian science are promoting all over the world. We are getting recognition for our science, our management. But yeah, it will take time, we will grow. But people should understand that each and every stage of our life, we should come together, not separate. Even I was going to my friend's house for giving him medicines just because he was having corona and no one on the other colony was going to help him. That was the thing. Okay. I should not say this, but I have arranged oxygen cylinder at the rate of 60,000 for 10 liters and 80 liters. So
my God.
That's the thing that people are going for black marketing, all this stuff, but you need to survive, you will do this stuff.
The problem now is that there are some people who still see profit in this demise.
Yeah,
I mean,
see, that's why now people like you, when you have a certain range of friends and you have an audience, when you people go on stage and tell these things, people even realize, yeah, they are doing wrong. But people are there. I'm not saying they are not good doctors or not nurses, but there are some people which are totally corrupted and bogus, which are making things bad for everyone. But eventually, I think things will resolve after a short period of time. But
100%.
The most important thing is we should take care not of our family members, the one we see which are in need.
I never, even in 19 years of Bombay, I never, saw a Bhelpuri wala come to me crying that I have no business. I'm on the streets where Mumbai is all about street food.
Yeah.
And he was like, every day until this pandemic happened, I used to sell so many. I used to go out of stock basically, and there's so much stock piled on me now that I don't know how to release it. So I'm really in a need because no one's gonna buy from the streets from me because it's really unsafe, and I'm really scared. So I don't know. I mean, these are tough times. We have to help people. We have to do as much as we can for these people.
I must say, you are a mature guy. You are gentle. Yeah, the way you are speaking, that's the thing. I've talked to many seniors of you in acting, and they are like, yeah, we help, and they stop there. So if you are giving someone money, that's not the thing. If you can do more, do more. So that's the
Of
thing.
course, of course.
People should help. Even you can
Of course.
help your friend. At least you can't help talk to him if he is suffering from COVID, because mental
Correct.
problems are high stake in COVID. People are thinking that they are going to die. I've talked to my friends and they are like, भाई अब तो बचेंगे नहीं, and I was like, क्यों नहीं बचेंगे bro? थोड़ा रुको, इंतजार करो, सबर
People are actually getting impatient, and that's what's making them really curious to just. I mean, they just want this to end,
करो.
or
For me, see, I love to spend my time with my mom and dad. After 4 years, I came on home on 5 March 2020. I am not able to left it right now, but not any.
sorry.
And right now, the talking what I am doing, the things I planned was the product of this Corona and the impatient. Because I was like, I need to divide my time. After 6, I am full empty. What I am doing. So I decided, okay, I will talk to people, and
Really nice initiative, to be very
yeah,
honest, because
I am happy that most of the actors like you are like, okay, we will give you a chance. Okay, we will do it. And I was like, eventually, see that.
No, actually is like that because when I saw your text, I was like, why not? I mean, let's just talk.
Yeah,
I mean, it's
that's why
there's nothing.
told you this is not an interview. This is a full-time talk podcast where you can
Yeah,
chill, you can talk
normal.
about anything, but you not talk
Yeah.
about anything. You talked about only COVID, not about your girlfriends. That's okay. Yeah, okay. Man, you also told na parental pressure. I guess you can't say anything loud. Yeah, that's happened. Eventually, I'm like 23 now. I also do the step. If I'm talking with XYZ person, so I go upstairs. I went on the. I sometimes go out of the house on the bridge
Okay.
gate. So yeah, I can talk easily. But yeah, at night, yeah, it's too hard because
Too hard.
mom is like, किससे बात कर रहे हो?
कौन? हाँ, कौन?
कौन है? Best, yeah.
Even my
कौन है? Yeah.
sister would spy on me and how she always has an eye on me and using me.
No,
And she's always spying on me. Like she knows my phone password. She knows everything about me basically.
no. I see.
Jesus.
There is a thing. If you give your phone password to your mom and dad and your brother, there is less chance they will see to it. Yeah, I'm telling you. I have given all
She
my password. My
Wow,
brother
okay.
don't touch my phone. My mother didn't do it.
My sister does because she knows. I've told her myself, but she still continues to do it. And my parents don't because I don't have the guts to tell them. They won't ask also, but I won't tell them. But my sister does.
One more thing that we have talked about
Yeah.
your family. We have talked
Yeah.
about not talked about your girlfriend. Yeah, let's leave that topic. But yeah, you should have a crush on someone at this age, or like I have. So I am asking as a relatable question. Don't dodge this one at least. Like you never have a crush, man. This I think we should wrap the interview right now. If you don't have a crush,
No, of course I've had crushes.
Yeah.
I've had crushes.
crushes, okay.
No,
And-
matlab, I mean,
yeah,
over
you
the
told-
years-
I'm not saying it. Over the years. Over the
that
years.
too only actresses. I mean, only actresses. They look beautiful.
The only
Every
one.
actress.
Just tell me only one. Like okay, like whenever you go to her, you smile. And there are certain changes. Like the things you are doing right now, पसीने छूट रहे हैं. Types. This is happening.
नहीं पसीने नहीं छूट रहा है बाहर मुझको लग रहा था आ गया अच्छा no honestly there are a few that I enjoy watching on screen when they come.
Not so just one. I'm asking one. You can't dodge it right now.
Yeah, I'm saying I like Janhvi Kapoor. I like Tara Sutaria. They're really nice actresses and they dance.
My crush is like people don't know why, but I love Anushka Shetty, man. I don't know. At the age of 12,
Yeah, she's an amazing actress.
yeah, I went to Kerala to meet him, man. This is my rage.
Oh,
Just
you're a
for
diehard.
yeah, man. No, I'm not. I don't know why. Whether whenever I see her, it's like, yeah, I need to meet her. So I have this, and 5 years back, I went to with my friends. There was a family trip, and I went to the shooting, and I saw her. I was happy. I got an autograph. That's the thing. See, people. So that's the thing with the actors. Now, when they give you an autograph and a photograph, you just frame it down. You just put it, and everyone when it comes. That I was child 18, I guess I was 18, so I was like, ye dekho autograph Anushka Shetty, man. Bahubali, and that too, Bahubali came, and then it was like, okay, man, he got a autograph of actress
Wow.
Anushka Shetty.
Flex.
Yeah,
Really
flexing. Yeah, people love to flex, man. I am from Lucknow, and nowadays there are plenty of films shot in like Gulabo Shitabo and the Bareli Ki Burfi. So I have seen actors coming near my house, passing right now. I see them on stages. I see them. So I'm happy. Like Lucknow as a capital is growing in for film industry. People come to love to shoot here just because of the public support, and that's the thing I love. That's why right now it's easy for people in Lucknow to meet a person or an actor than being in Mumbai, because Mumbai is tough, man.